So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in this video I discuss about how to use add and block, how to use logic gates in blocks, and block, and logic gate, and gate, or gate, not gate, and also XOR gate. In my previous video I already discussed about mathematical logical blocks and also compare block, limit block, timer, counter, alarms, bits, and also I already cover in my previous videos what is logic gate and how to use logic gate. But in this video I discuss about logic gate block, how to use logic gate block. So we does not require any right logic gate, we can use easily logic gate block. So let's get started. Take a new rung, and after that take a no examine on xio. So here tag name is will be logic gate 1, sorry, gate 1, gate underscore 1. Gate 1, right click and click on new and click on create and take a logic gate block. So logic gate block in the sequence and shift logical move logical operation. Select here AND gate. So let's see how to use AND gate. So here tag name source A and source B. We know that I already discussed about logic gate, how to use logic gate, source A and source B, and how to work logic gate. But in this video this video only based on logic gate block. And one tag will be and one, and right click, copy, and also create. And 2, right click, click on new tag and click on create. Destination will be example when two value will be equal, when value 1, example temperature transmitter, example any transmitter value will be, in normal case in logic and gate, logic gate we know that if both value will be 0 then output will be 0. If value 1 will be 1 and value 2 means source A will be 1, source B will be 0, then output will be 0. If source 1 will be 0, source B will be 1, then output will be 1. If both condition will be 1, then output will be 1. It is a normal condition of AND gate. But what is the difference of AND gate with using NO and C, and what is different between AND gate block? So let's see. It is a very interesting or very useful block, AND gate. So take another rung, copy, and here paste, and cut rung. Take another rung and take a limit block. copy output, limit text and 1, 10, 1 output, and LED number 23 already used, so copy and 24, LED number 24. So what will be happen here when LED, let's see what will be happening. So shape, it is very interesting, so please, for your better understanding, keep watching your start to end video. Click on download. Download. It's very interesting. So we all already know that what is AND gate. So I don't discuss about on AND gate. Don't waste your time, our time. So let's see. In initial condition, both source A and source B, both value is 0. If source 1 value will be 0 and source B value will be 1, so output will be 1. It is a fundamental condition of the AND gate. If source B will be 0 and source A will be 1, then output will be 1. Also fundamental condition of the AND gate. If both condition will be 1, then output will be 1. So let's see here, limit 1 to 10. So what is means that limit 1 to 10? Why I take limit 10? What is the reason? So reason is, in AND gate it is very interesting. In AND gate block, if source B value is 2, if source B value will be 2, sorry, source A value will be 2 and also source B value will be 2, sorry, 3, also sorry 1. So what will be happening? Destination means that output will be 0. If source A will be 2 and source B will be 2, so what will be happening? Destination in limit 1 to 10. So 1 to 10, 2 value is under 1 to 10. So for that reason LED 24 is on. So where we can use AND gate, example A is 1, sorry, if source A is 1 and source B is 0, then output 0 definitely. If source B will be is 1, source A is 1, source B is 1, then output is 1, because 1 or 1 in AND gate, 1 or on 1. Here understand. Next is, what will be happen if source B value will be 2. So 1 to 0. So this is a here you can see source A, destination and output. Source A will be 2 when source if source A is 1, so destination output will be on, LED will be on. When will be LED on? After 1 when destination greater than 1 one number on and one number off, means one on when output, when source B will be 1, then output is on. When source B will be 3, then output will be 1. XOR when source V will be 4, then output will be off. Source V will be 5, output on. 6 off, 7 on, 8 off, 9 on, 10 off. I think you easily observe after one value, so when source B greater, after one, after one, after one, after one, after one, so one on and another next value on next value is off. On when reach next value source B, then output will be off. Let's see what will be happen when source V will be 2. So same condition, source when source V will be 2, so after 2 source when source A will be 2, so after 2 condition 2 number output will be on and 2 number output will be off. So let's see how. 1 0, let's, and 2 2 to 1, right? 2 and 2 1, because 2 and 2 value will be 2. Let's see 3 on, right? 2 number on, 4 off, 5 off, 2 number off, 2 number on, 6 on, LED on, under limit under 1 to 11, 7 on, 8 off, 9 on, 10 sorry 9 off, 10 on, 11 on. Let's next example. This is a table created by myself just. Next is what will be happen when input source A will be 1, sorry source A will be 3. So after 3 when source A is 1, so after gap 1 gap source B 1 gap output will be on. 2 on, source B 3 on, source B 4 off, because 1 2 3 in condition 1 and in condition 1 2 3, in 1 2 3 condition output is on and 4 5 6 output will be off. 4 5 sorry after 3 condition output will be on. 5 on, 6 on, 7 on, 8 off. When source B will be 8, output will be off. 9 on, 10 output will be on, 11 output will be on. Next, if source A is 4, so I think you easily understand the concept of AND gate. AND gate, not AND gate, bit bitwise AND, not AND gate. It is a bitwise AND. Example: source A is 4, so 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 1 5 0 sorry 1 6 1, so 5 6 4 5 6 7, in 4 number output will be on. 7 8 4 5 6 7, 8 off, 8 of 9 10 11, 8 9 10 11, in on 11 on output. Next, if output will be 12 on, how? Okay, because output 4, output 13, output 14, output 15, source B 16, source B 16 17, 18, 19, 20 on. I think you can absorb easily after every after 4 number of gap. After every 4 number, output will on, output is on, and output is off. Same as it is, same condition for 5. If source A will be 5, same condition source B A will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you want to, you can text or easily absorb, or you can see how to is work. So is next gate is